the formulas in Excel. So started a new sessions for the formulas, and so let us discuss about some of the logical functions today. And now I am going to discuss about AND function in detail. So here I just gave the definition, like AND function. For what all versions of Excel we can use this AND function, and the syntax of the AND function, the arguments, these are logical 1, logical 2, those are the arguments, means the conditions for our requirements. And here the AND function means this will return true only if all the conditions here, logical 1, logical 2, so on, only if it satisfies all the conditions, then only the result will be true, otherwise the result will be false. And so the advantage of this AND function is we can check all the conditions whether true or false. And the same way, the same thing, the disadvantage is also there, like we cannot check any single conditions here. We need to have the multiple this thing conditions to check. And some examples I gave here, that is AND. See here, if I gave the value a2, if a2 is greater than 1 and if a2 is less than 100, that means a2 should be 1 to 100. The value should be, means it should not be 1, it should not be 100 also, 2 to 99, then only the value, this will give the result true, otherwise it will give false. So these are some other examples, like we can also use AND with if condition, so I just gave that example. So now let us see how this AND function will work in our Excel. So let me have a test table, test 1, test 2, test 3. So the results here, if everything is pass, then only the result will be, it should be true. If one test got fail also, the result should be fail. So if we have like this, fail, pass, let me give the roll numbers 1, 2, 3. So here the results. So AND function, if the this will give the cell address B3 equals pass, comma C3 equals pass, comma D3 equals pass. If all the tests are passed, then only the result will be true, or else this will be false. So do you want to accept the correction? I just missed, yeah, see, I just missed this double quotes, it is showing, see, the false. See here, only in this cell we have all the tests true, so we got the result true. Here this is fail, so false, like this. AND condition means it should satisfy all the conditions. When all the conditions get passed, then only the result will be true. If one condition fail also, we will get the result fail. So now, as I showed in my PPT, let me have this one, a2 value. So here let me have the value here, something 95, and here equals AND function, and B8, if it is greater than 1, comma B8 if it is less than 100, close. See, true. If I give the value here 100, false, because that should be less than 100. If I give the value 101, false, because that is less than 100. If I give the value 95, true, because that is under 2 to 100. So let me give here 1. See, false, because we gave the formula. Let me change the formula, less than or equal to 1. So true, because value can be less than or equal to 1 and it should be less than 100. Then only the value will become true, means it is 1 is satisfying both the conditions. So here I can also give 2 because that is also less than or equal to 1 and which is greater than, means greater than or equal to 1 and less than 100, like this. This is how the AND function will work. We can use this in our macros to get the program done per our requirements. Hope this information helps. Thanks for watching the video.